Hello. So, you've come back again for more zombie in a Crombie, have you? Is it because you like my Crombie jacket? You like my Crombie, is it? It's been made in Savile Row, yes. Nothing to do with a paedophile, of course. No, you liked the cut of my jacket and my jokes, don't you? You've come back for more, and you're going to get some more zombie in a Crombie. Dead Mike said to me, I want to study campanology. I said, Mike, you're dead. Your brain is decomposing. Do you remember what campanology is? Dead Mike said, it rings a bell. So we've just had comic relief appeal again every year for the last 30 years. I've nothing against comic relief. It's a great cause for those poor, deprived Africans. Yes, but who the hell has got the money to donate to comic relief? No. There's tsunami appeals, tornado appeals. All those appeals doesn't appeal to me. What I don't like about Red Nose Day is my kids always say, Daddy, can I have a red nose? I always give them a shot of whiskey, a double one, and punch them on the nose. That sorts them out. No, seriously. When my kids ask for a red nose, I take the outer wax covering off a baby bell. The red bit, you know, put it on the nose. They're happy for ages. Of course, I don't condone violence on kids. I say, let the baby goats go free without any violence. Besides, I'm a big supporter of the anti-climate change and all that plastic red noses go in the water, the oceans, the streams. No, I don't like that. It poisons us. Yes, and look at me. Ah, how I became. All that plastic in the oceans and the seas is destroying the wildlife. There's been a very much decline in animal life in the seas, yes. But, however, on the upside, there's been an increase in the numbers of clownfish. You humans have been destroying the planet for years and years, decades, with all your crap. Thank goodness the world is flat. And we can lift Antarctica up and sweep all the shit underneath it. But reporters don't give us the whole truth anyway, do they? No. I mean, there's one lady called Nina Nana. Yes. Is she a grandmother? In case she would be called Nana Nina Nana. And there's another lady reporter in the UK. And I think she was bullied at school, yes, because she would have to carry all the other children's books. Yes, she's called Satchel Carrier. Yeah!